Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import an Elementor template kit. If you're looking to quickly transform your WordPress site with professionally designed templates, this process will make it incredibly simple to bring in complete design kits and start building right away. Let's jump into it. First things first, you'll need to open your WordPress website, head to your browser, and log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll access the tools needed to import your template kit. Make sure you're logged in with administrator privileges so you have full access to all the necessary features. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and locate Elementor. Hover over it, and you'll see a submenu appear with several options. From this menu, click on Tools. This section houses various utilities that help you manage your Elementor experience, including importing and exporting features that are essential for template management. Within the Tools page, look for the Import tab at the top. Click on it to access the import functionality. This is where Elementor allows you to bring in external template kits and design elements from various sources, making it easy to expand your design library without starting from scratch. Now you'll see options to choose a system to import from. Elementor supports multiple import methods, so select the one that matches where your template kit is coming from. Once you've identified the correct system, click Install Now. This initiates the import process and begins bringing your chosen template kit into your WordPress site. The installation will take just a moment as Elementor processes the template files and integrates them into your library. Once complete, you'll have immediate access to all the pages, sections, and design elements included in that kit, ready to be customized to fit your brand and content needs. And there you have it. You've successfully imported an Elementor template kit into your WordPress site. This opens up a world of design possibilities, allowing you to create stunning pages quickly using professionally crafted templates as your foundation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.